Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into creativelive.org. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type creativelive.org and press enter. Wait for the website to load completely. Once the home page is visible, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, input your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your credentials, double-check for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Login button to proceed. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. If you encounter an error, check your email and password, then try again. If you need to create a new account, look for the Sign Up option on the login page. Follow the prompts to set up a new account if necessary. Now you're logged into creativelive.org and ready to explore. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.